co-founder and CEO of Bharat Smart Services. Today I'm very happy that in association with L&T Metro, we are celebrating Energy Conservation Day. So I just want to brief, sir, as a company what we are trying to do. We are a startup, Telangana born startup, growing nicely. Now we are about 100-member team, and we are passionately working towards energy conservation since long. So last 3-4 years we have been very actively engaging. One of the video, I think Kader, you can play that video also, like 2022 Energy Conservation Week. So we always wanted to do something very unique and big. So we started our journey, and on 2022, I think 2022 Energy Conservation Week celebrations, when we were doing at the Institute of Engineers building. Okay, that is the time where my daughter was also along with us, along with me. She came onto the dais. Okay, and then what we have made, so it was there in my mind actually, the way she grows, how she grows proportionately. I have taken a resolution to create impact, but that day I openly said that is the first time. So since then I have continued my effort as a company. My co-founder and team members also extending the clear support, continuous support, and we made it as one of our primary aspect. As a company, we have decided to help everyone as much as possible to give hand-holding support to conserve energy. So that is how we have started our journey, and once again I thank you all, and we'll have very engaging activity. I request everybody to freely share your view. The whole idea here is to create that awareness, okay, and as an individual what we are doing, how we can do in a very best way. So that is the whole idea. So there is no reservation on sharing any of your thoughts. Be as free as possible. Everyone will get a chance to convey your message. I want everybody to really anticipate and try to share your valuable insights, so that other team members, our team members, or commuters of the metro can learn that. So we started our journey today, along with my parents and daughter, wife. I came from LB Nagar metro station. So while coming also, first thing what I did, before getting into the train, on that platform itself I made an announcement. Luckily I got hold of that guy. I made an announcement regarding this Energy Conservation Day. Started like that. Then I interacted with few commuters in the metro and few young kids. Really very inspiring, and we could share as much as possible. People appreciated the initiative, and after that other CBIT, thank you very much, sir. As a whole, faculty members, students could not join because of the exams, but faculty made that they taken that responsibility to really support our cause and the initiative what we have taken. And again special thanks to Chakrapani sir, in a very short notice. See, as a startup, one thing we are not able to avoid, anything what we do is last minute. We cannot really plan well upfront. And again for doing this activity in association with L&T means a lot. Okay, again Vamshi Garu from L&T, out of the box, such a passionate guy. Whenever there is anything, people want to do something good for the society or commuters, he is the guy, he really came forward. And though he has got a big hierarchy, he could get that approvals in a very short span, and we are able to enjoy that, gathering because of his outright support. Thank you very much, Vamshi Garu. Thank you very much. And I thank all of my team members, okay, who have joined us on a Sunday to really give this message.